Hi guys, we have done analysis of forex pair previous week. How it can be behave we can see right now. Okay guys, you can see that I have told you if it will take a resistance then we can go for it. You can see that our first target also reached, second target, third target and fourth target. After here only our all target reach, here only it taken a support and it turns around the market. You can see that here is a trend line. You can see that exactly from here only it taken a turn around. You can see that our first target, second target, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, you can see here if you have taken here also position, you have got your three target you have reached. Okay guys, you can see that our analysis is how much accurate is that here only we have 10 and here only market has turned around guys. Okay guys, we have got jackpot only in all forex pair. I will show you guys. Okay guys, this is the first and next pair is New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. You can see that exactly taken a resistance from this candle only. Our first target also is second target. I have told you that at least second target you have to book your 70 to 80% profit. After that you have to run your third and fourth target at least 20 to 30% only you can take it for. Okay guys, after that you can see that this is the pullback. Okay guys, however this is cross and okay guys, this is cross and you have taken your position and your SL will be here. Okay guys, if you haven't taken that thing also, I have told you this is the one of the major trend line. After this will break, you have got this trend, these upper side target you can see here. Okay guys, it is exactly taken here only, trend line only support. I have also made a learning video, you can check out that. Our first target also reached, second target also reached. You can see that second target also reached. You have got very nice trade here also. You get downside momentum also and upside momentum also. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is that euro versus Japanese yen. I have told you that I am so much bullish in euro still now, but you can see that I have also told you that this is first time resistance, second time, third time it will definitely break and goes upside momentum. If it will break, you can surely go for call side or you can buy it. Okay guys, you can go for long side. You can buy a call also, you can buy in okay guys, you can buy it. You can see that our first target also reached, second target, third target and fourth target, all target has been reached. You can see that here only I have told you it will be reached. After that you can see that whole 3 to 4 times came and continuously consolidation and closed here only. You can go for call or you have go for long position. You have got very nice trade. Our all the accuracy you can check, almost 90% is our accuracy. Okay guys, here also you can see Australian dollar versus Swiss francs. Okay guys, what we have discussed is that if it will take resistance, here only you can see that this red candle you have taken a position, your SL will be somewhere here. You can see that our first target also reached, second target also reached. In second target only it is continuously taking a supporting area. After that it is crossing. You can see that this is the one of the trend line. If you have bought this green candle and your SL will be somewhere here, you can see that how nicely our first target also reached, second target also reached. In here also we have got downside momentum also and upside momentum also. Okay guys, we can see next major pair is that British pound versus Japanese yen. I have told you if it will take support somewhere here, then you can go for your all these target. You can see here only it came and taken support. Our first target also reached, second target also reached, third target also reached, as well as fourth target also reached. You can see that here only one sell off also come, but buyer are so much dominated right now. It's taking in upside momentum, but how accurate we are, you can see it is that. Okay guys, I have not done any I have also analysis in video, you can check out there also. I have not done any editing, you can check out that video guys. Okay guys, here also you can see that first time, second time, third time it definitely break. One SL also hit it, I know that. After that you can see that it is breakout failure. After that it came once again here at this point only. When this wick is making, here only somewhere I have bought and my SL will be very small here somewhere, and I have taken this first target, second target. After that I have booked whole profit because I am not sure it will goes till upside, so I have booked my profit and it came once again downside guys. Okay guys, we can see British pound versus US dollar, what we have discussed is that you can see that if it will take resistance, then only we can go for downside momentum. But what happened here, first time it taken resistance, second time it comes to taking a support, so it becomes so much volatile, so we have not traded. But if you can see here, if this week is, you have seen here, you have bought somewhere here and your SL will be somewhere here, you can see that how nicely you have reached up till here. Okay guys, this is the sell off. That's why I am not taken it here any position, because this is continuously very much volatile right now, so that's why I have not taken any position. We can see in euro versus British pound, you can see that here also what happened is that what we have discussed, it will came downside, or if this will break, then only we can go for shorter side. Okay guys, you can see that it become so much volatile. You can see that how much buyer potential. After that, seller once again came downside and taken it as a sideways market only. You can see that euro versus British pound whole week it became a volatile only and sideways market. Okay guys, we can see US dollar versus Canadian dollar. I have told you also that you can see here, I have told you and mentioned you also that it is the one of the major resistance. You can see here. Okay guys, this is also a breakout failure. You can see here, this is the breakout failure. After it came downside, it taken a support. Okay guys, after somewhere here it doesn't came and taken support, so I am seeing that when it will take a resistance, it taken a resistance. Okay guys, I have my kept my SL here and my SL is heated. After that, I have taken a notification in my mobile scene, so after that I am seeing when it will came downside once again is in this candle only, this red candle. I have taken my position and my SL will be here somewhere. I have kept it. You can see that how nice one-sided momentum. Up till here I have booked my whole profit, because this will act as a supporting area, so that's why I have booked my full quantity here. My risk to reward is 1 is to at least 8. Okay guys, 1 is to 8. You can see that my SL will be also very small and my profit is very big. That's why I have take like these trades. I will take very small SLs and I will keep doing that, because I will take small SLs, so I get so much. I will take 2 trade also, then also my 1 SL and 2 SL I will take easily, because somebody what do they can do is that they take so much big SL in 1 trade only, so they cannot get nice risk to reward. I will take small SL and bigger profit guys. Okay guys, here also what we have discussed is that you can see here, if it will take support here somewhere, then you can reach your first target, second and third. All target we have achieved. You can see that US dollar versus Swiss francs, you can see that all target has been reached. After that I am exited from here. After that I am seen that this wig is coming downside. After that what I have done is that I in this green red candle only have buy it somewhere here only at bottom, and my SL will be this green candle. You can see that how nicely it came once again downside and taken resistance here. This is the plus point, it taking a resistance. I am very much sure that it will come here, so we got here also upside momentum too and downside momentum too. Okay guys, we can, if you like my video, please go and subscribe my channel and go and check out the all analysis. I will tell you that analysis will help you so much in trading, so go and check out all. I will give you link in the description also. Thank you guys.